Hello guys, in this video we'll be solving past year questions of mensuration. So let's start the 2025 one. We have this hollow sphere and this cone. So this hollow sphere is melted into this cone. So if the material will be the same, amount of material will be the same, that means the volume of both of them are equal. We can write over here volume of sphere is equal to volume of cone. Now let's first find the volume of the sphere. So inner diameter is 6, outer diameter is 10. So radius will be, inner radius will be 3 cm, outer radius will be 5 cm. Now let's apply the formula. 4 by 3 pi capital R cube minus small r cube. So we have 4 by 3 22 upon 7 multiplied by 125 minus 27. We get 4 by 3 22 upon 7 multiplied by 98. 7 ones are 4s are. So we get, so this is the volume of the sphere. Now we have the volume of sphere. Now the volume of cone, the formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h. So we can equate it with this. So 1 by 3 pi r square h equal to this value because both the volumes are equal. Okay, now we have the height given and the only unknown value will be the radius. 22 upon 7 r square multiplied by 8. Okay, let's take everything that side. Three gets cut. So r square is 49. Therefore, r will be 7. RC. So this is the final answer. In 2024, we have a solid cylinder and we cut from the middle. So we get two parts of the cylinder. Now, what are they asking? The diameter is 7 cm of the cylinder, height is 10 cm. What are they asking? Total surface area of both the halves. So these are the two halves. We want to know the total surface area. So we will find surface area of 1 and multiply it by 2 because both are identical. So let's do that first. So surface area will be, as you can see, there is one semicircle here, one semicircle here. So we will find the area of that. We will find that 2 multiplied by area of semicircle, also SA of 1/2. So one of them, the surface area is this. So we will first multiply 2 with the area of the semicircle because there are two semicircle which is exposed. Then area of this rectangle plus area of rectangle plus area of the curved surface. Area of curved surface. So we have covered all the surfaces, top, bottom, the semicircle plus this side, rectangle, area of rectangle and the curved surface on the back. So let's solve this. Area of circle is pi r square, area of semicircle will be pi r square by 2. So 2 multiplied by pi r square by 2 plus area of rectangle will be, the width of the rectangle is 7, the length of the rectangle will be 10. So 7 into 10 plus area of curved surface. Area of curved surface of a cylinder, solid cylinder is 2 pi r h. So this one will be 2 pi r h upon 2 because this is half of it. So 2 pi r h upon 2. So now we can just cancel this. We'll get, so the r is 3.5. Since its diameter is 7, r is 3.5. So 22 upon 7 into 3.5 I can write 7 by 2 into 7 by 2 since it's square plus 70 plus r is 7 by 2, 22 by 7 into 7 by 2, h is 10. This gets cancelled, 2 5s are 10. This gets cancelled, 2 11s are. You will get 77 upon 2 plus 70 plus 110. We have 77 upon 2 plus 180. Now this was surface area of 1/2. For 2/2 we will just multiply it by 2. SA of 2/2 will be this whole multiplied by 2. So 2 multiplied by 77 upon 2 multiplied by 180. 77 plus 360, which is 437. So this is the surface area, total surface area of the 2/2. Now second question, what are they asking? Total cost of painting both at the rate of rupees 30 per centimeter square. So we just have to multiply. Now cost will be area into rate, which is 437 multiplied by 30. We get 13110. Second sum of 2024. We have this spherical container where there is oil filled. What they are saying is that it is 3/4 filled. So the oil is occupying 3/4 of the total volume of the sphere. So the oil will be transferred into this container, and then we have to find how much height will be. So first we need to find the volume of the oil here. Volume of oil will be 3/4 of volume of sphere. Why? Because it is occupying 3/4 of the volume of the sphere. So we'll just calculate by 3 pi r cube. Now we can simplify, we can cancel this, we get 22 upon 7 multiplied by 28 cube. Now let's keep it like this. Now we know that the same volume is transferred here. We have, the formula is pi r square h. So pi into 21 into 21 into h. Now we can equate this V oil equal to VC, because both of them are the same oil. We will get 22 upon 7 into 28 cube equal to 22 upon 7 into 21 into 21 into h. Okay, so we have one unknown value h. Let's write it here. H will be equal to, take everything that side. We can cancel the pi. Take this here. We get 28 into 28 into 28 upon 21 into 21. 7 3s are 7 4s are 7 3s are 7 4s are. This will be the height of the oil in this cylinder. 2023 question. We have this cylinder container where some water is filled and this solid is submerged into it. And after submerging, the water level rises. We have to find what is the height of the water level rise. What will we do first? First we'll find out the volume of this solid. Let's do that. So the volume of solid will be, volume of solid is made by a cone with a hemisphere. So it will be cone volume plus hemisphere volume. The formula is 1 by 3 pi r square h plus 2 by 3 pi r cube. So we will get 1 by 3 pi r square, you can take common. We will get 1 by 3 pi r square h plus r, 2r. On simplifying, we'll get 294 pi. Now this is the volume of this solid. We have to find how much the water rises. So we know that the amount of water rises is also a cylinder. So that volume of that cylinder will be equal to this, because the volume of the solid submerged will be equal to the volume of the water rose. So we can equate that. We can write volume of cylinder equal to 294 pi. Now cylinder will be pi r square h, pi r is 14, h will be the amount of water rise, 294 pi, you can cancel the pi, h will be 294 upon 14 into 14, 2 7s are 7 2s are 721, we get 7 3s are 1.5 centimeter.